Hello everyone! If you're using the Samsung M47 and want to hide apps from other people without deleting them, this video will show you exactly how to do it. The good news is that Samsung already includes a feature that makes this possible, and you don't need to install any extra apps, but there's one important detail that many tutorials never mention. After hiding an app, many users can't figure out how to open it again. They think the app disappeared or was deleted, even though it's still on the phone. In this video, I'll show you not only how to hide apps on the Samsung M47, but also how to access hidden apps whenever you need them. I'll also explain a few common mistakes that can prevent the feature from working as expected.